Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we are looking at the market share for the different versions of Windows. We are a new month, of course, November 2nd, 2020 today. And if we look at the different versions of Windows 10 on PCs, dominating largely Windows 10 is now 77.3% of all PCs running Windows. If we look at last month, it was 75. It grew quite fast, and it's growing actually very fast. So there's a mix in there of new PCs running Windows 10 because of the confinement, a lot of people working from home. Add that to Windows 7 PCs being replaced, and you're getting a fast growth of Windows 10 right now. Pretty good numbers here, 77.3%. Windows 7 now at 16.8%. It's dropping quite fast too. Last month it was at 18.5%, so it's dropping more than 1.5%. It's dropping real fast actually. So it's been dropping steadily, of course. If we look at the beginning of the year in January, if we look at January, when the end of support, it was at 25%. So 25, it lost, 9%, 8 to 9% in the past year. And of course, that's going to continue dropping since it's not supported anymore, except for enterprise versions, long-term support that they pay. But even enterprise will be changing those PCs eventually. Windows 8.1 and Windows 8 together, I'll put them together, is 4.8%. Windows XP still running on 0.71% and Windows Vista on 0.35% of computers out there. So 77.3%, huge dominance of Windows 10 this month and growing fast this year as we're going towards the end of the year. And like I said, a lot of that probably has to do with new PCs sold. As you see here, there's a nice growth coming this year. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.